Welcome back to the channel. This is Trapti Parekh, legal intern at Lexis and Company from Jain and Vyas University, Jodhpur. In this video, I will talk about a legal news that Madhya Pradesh High Court said to authorities that vary of those who seek firearms license to parade in the public as a fashion trend, stressing that an individual own feeling of insecurity as an important factor while granting the firearm license. The Madhya Pradesh High Court ruled that the authority must be wary of those needs which are fanciful or simply pretentious or purely fired by a desire to flaunt or parade in the public the firearms as a fashion trend. The bench of Justice Asit Dharamdhikari remarked that it is now a settled law that as possession of non-prohibited firearms help effected a person's right to protect himself. The right is considered as a part of fundamental right under Article 21 of Constitution of India, subject to the course of reasonable restriction. The court observing that the granting a license should be the rule and refusal an exception. For the reason to be recorded in writing, the court said an individual own feeling of insecurity is an important factor. So it is need to be respected and considered on the touchstone of his own physical and mental makeup and other factors contained in Section 14 of Arms Act. It may be noted that Section 13 of Arms Act deals with the grant of license and Section 14 of Arms Act is about the refusal of the license. This is the matter which is before the court in the case of Gurdeep Singh Jindal versus State of MP. A businessman submitted that he was required to carry on the business in the entire territory of district Gwalior and nearby areas including remote areas, and since Gwalior areas is also notified as dacoit affected areas, and therefore it was necessary for him to possess a pistol. Therefore, he had applied for an arms license for his self-defense for possessing and carrying an unprohibited firearms under Section 3 and 4 of Arms Act 1959 before the District Magistrate Gwalior. The report was called from the police. Even the Superintendent of Police recommended the case of the petitioner for the issuance of the license. Thereafter, the matter was referred to the state government, which rejected the application on the sole ground of absence of any threat to the life of the petitioner. Being aggrieved, the petitioner challenged the order of rejection in the instant petition. As per Section 13 of Indian Arms Act, the licensing authority has to consider the issue of grant of license or otherwise by the following procedure under Section 13 of the Act, and the license can be refused as per the provision of Section 14 of the Act. Section 14 delineates the situation where a license is to be mandatorily refused. These situations are: the first is where the license under Section 3 or 4 or Section 5 is required in respect of any prohibited arm or prohibited ammunition. The second situation is where the licensing authority is satisfied that the person requiring a license is prohibited by the Arms Actor by any other law from acquiring or possessing or carrying any arms or ammunition. The third situation is where the person requiring a license is of unsound mind. The fourth is where the person is desirous of having a license is unfit for holding the license under the Arms Act. The fifth is where the licensing authority considered it necessary for the security of public peace or public safety to refuse the license. So, it may be noted that ground on which the application had been rejected, it means absence of any threat on life or property of the person is not available to the authorities to reject or refuse the application mandatory. The court noted that the authorities ought to have considered the relevant criteria and the genuineness of the need of the person examined from the individual's own perception and his security want in the light of his mental and physical makeup and factors for a person to hold the license under section 14 of the Arms Act. The court said that if the absence of threat to the property is not a criteria for refusal of license, it can also be found inferentially that absence of threat to the person of the applicant would be no criteria for refusal of license. The impeached order was set aside and the state authorities were directed to reconsider the claim of petitioner for grant of arms license strictly in accordance with the provision of section 14 of the Act and pass a reasoned and speaking order within a period of 3 months. So here is the legal news. I hope you liked my video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.